At Kemet, we are not only built into tomorrow, but also built into the devices that keep us healthy. Being a significant player in the healthcare space means that we remain close to the major trends in the medical industry to maintain our position. In medical equipment, reliability is paramount. The higher the risk to the patient, the more critical it becomes that our components operate reliably and safely. Our reliability is in our DNA. Chemet has been producing highly reliable and robust components for many years and has been a trusted partner in healthcare since we first adapted our capabilities from defense, automotive, and aerospace to the medical industry. Our components play an important role in medical devices. For example, our products are found in nearly every portion of a medical device power supply, starting with input filtering solutions to components aimed at producing stable power. The absence of any one of our components would result in electrical noise, unstable power, unstable signal levels, and energy losses that would render the overall system ineffective. Our employees around the world and our company as a whole is mobilized, along with our distribution partners and suppliers, to stay close to our customers during this critical time. At Chemet, we are in the fight and we are built into the devices that keep us healthy.